Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker, and today I'm talking about essential equipment for touring. What am I talking about? Stick around.
Whether coming or going, Moto Nation, USA, always on
All
the
right,
road.
like I said, I'm talking about essential touring equipment. Now I made a video about touring and what to carry with you, but in this video, I'm going to talk about the individual piece or pieces. There are going to be several videos. I'm going to talk about the individual pieces that make up all of that stuff and why they're important. Up first is the tire plug kit. Recently, I had a flat tire, my first week of ownership of my new bike, and I had to plug it. How you can tell if you can plug your tires or not depends on if you have a tube or not. Generally, bikes with spokes have inner tubes, so you cannot plug them, and bikes that have mag wheels are tubeless, so you can plug them. There's are exceptions to that, but that's generally the rule. This is a cheap $10, $12 plug kit that I bought at Walmart, which you can also get, and it consists of a reamer. These are rough. That is to, after you pull out the offending object that made you have a flat in the first place, you push this in, you ream it, that roughs up the rubber in order to put in the plug. The plug is a long strip like this, and it's kind of sticky. That's the adhesive, so when you push it in with the needle threader, it sticks to the rubber so you can air it up and move it out. If you don't have a gauge, this will let you know when you air your tire up. A product, not a brand, that I highly recommend. If you have tubeless tires, I recommend that you carry a tire plug kit when you're on the road, especially touring and you're far from the house. It's Jimmy, the Bearded Biker, and I hope to see you on the road. Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker, and today I'm talking about essential equipment for touring. What am I talking about? Stick around.